We sort of thought this was coming, but now we know it's confirmed. $17 billion?
And there was a lot of competition to lead the rounds, it seems like. I mean, we had reports of other people trying to lead this, so Fidelity seems to have gotten it. Travis has been talking to a lot of different possibilities here, so $17 billion seems to be the consensus.
Other investors in the round, Kleiner Perkins, Google Ventures, Menlo Ventures, obviously demand was very much there.
Absolutely. It sounds like it was, you know, they weren't raising quietly either. Travis was going around saying that they wanted to raise at a record-breaking valuation. I think he said that last week, so this was coming.
He says in our piece, this is about capitalizing for the opportunities that we see ahead of ourselves. Now, Uber at this point is still just driving people around. There's been a lot of discussion about what else the future could hold, delivering packages, taking on FedEx. I mean, how close are they to really branching into other businesses?
I think that they will. You'll probably see a lot more of that this year. They have the money. $1.2 billion is quite a lot of capital. They'll be able to expand more internationally, which they've already done a bit of. They'll be able to, you know, maybe put more effort into fighting these battles with governments and taxi coalitions to get into places where they haven't been able to get into. So I think we'll see Uber expand quite a bit this year.
The bidding for Uber was so heated that some venture capital and private equity investors bailed out at $10 billion. Now it's $17 billion. You know, we were talking about Airbnb at $10 billion, Dropbox at $10 billion. It seems like there is just no limit these days.
Well, it's interesting. I was talking with Corey last week about, you know, is there an expectation that these companies are going to be worth more in the public markets down the line, or is this just a moment in time kind of thing? The co-founder of WhatsApp said earlier this week that we should keep in mind that valuations are a point in time and that they don't necessarily reflect how valuable something's going to be in the future.
Right. Are Lyft and Sidecar really still in this for the long haul? I mean, do they really have what it takes to take on Uber?
I think that they are probably getting some calls today.